drawing with symbols in Illustrator. So in this week's lesson, we're going to be working with symbols, and symbols are a really great way to help Illustrator reduce the overall file size. If we have something that we're using in a repetitive way, for instance, if I wanted to use this flower and make a whole field of flowers, it would be in my best interest to create a symbol. So a couple of the tools that we will be using, number one is the symbol panel. Under Window, down towards the bottom, Symbols. So this Symbols panel is where we'll store our symbols. We also have access to a library with a lot of more in-depth, a lot of categories of symbols that Illustrator gives us. We can also search online and find many more symbols. We also will be using our symbol tools. We have 7 tools total, and they're located here in the toolbar. And I will go through each one of these and explain what their purpose is for. So symbols basically stored in the symbols panel. When they are then out on the artboard, they become an instance, and that's just a reference. So if I were to create this as a symbol and I then bring more of those onto the artboard, they are instances. Instances are how we reduce the file size because only a reference of the positioning and specific attributes are saved. It really is a virtual representation of a symbol. So let's get started by creating some symbols.